So here we are working with the Snapshot desktop. I've got all of my different orgs connected together, and I can right-click on any item and bring up the Apex Code Quality report. Now the Apex Code Quality report shows me all of my Apex classes and tests here on the left, and I can click on any one, and in the middle it shows me all of the different programming flaws in that Apex script. So for example, if I select one, I can see this problem over here in my script at right, and this is a security violation. I need to validate the CRUD permission before a SOCL operation, and I can see that right here. I can also check any class or test right here to include that in the display report. And the display report will give me a comprehensive view of all of my different classes and tests and all of their problems that I've selected. I can also control the definition of the different problems with the Manage Quality button. So for example, I might say that best practices, I'm not too worried about, don't include them in the report. But here, performance, that's highly recommended, and Apex documentation is highly optional. So I can control everything that's included in the report or not included. And just like that, I'll see the report color-coded to my new specifications. Now the Display Report tab lets you schedule this report for any org. So after a snapshot, send a PDF, a CSV, or an HTML report to whatever group you want by email or using Chatter, and it can be conditional. So I can say send the report no matter what, or send the report only if changes are absolutely required for this org. So in this manner, you can monitor an org, wait for problems, and trigger alerts when they occur. So the code quality report also is part of the deployment interface. If I go to the main deployment tab, you see I can choose to test code quality, and I have the same interface here. But I can actually choose whether to stop the deployment if a quality problem is reported and how bad the problem has to be. And so administrators can set up code quality gateways to enforce a level of code quality for any Salesforce org if they choose to do so. So I want to tell you a little bit more about what our code quality report is based on. We're based on an open source project called PMD. And this is easy to install on your local machine for Mac or Windows. And it has all of these rules for Apex. And so you can read a lot more information here about the different rules and what they entail. For example, Apex Bad Crypto, it'll tell you everything that it does and what it's looking for to prevent or whatever. So PMD is kind of the gold standard for code quality on the Mac, and Snapshot does a really nice job of incorporating PMD so that you can use that to monitor orgs and to set up code quality gateways. Okay, thank you very much.